Hello, hello guys, welcome. Today we got some we got a tournament called 1v1 CXN No Rules hosted by Big Sahel. So yeah, we are first round against a Habibi called ZeReF or whatever. His real name is Abdul Rahman. So
New construction.
yeah, let's get into it. This is my first time probably playing this format. I'm not so sure if I played it. But yeah.
What's the story?
CXN No Rules makes
Made in
it
the US of A.
a bit, let's say, more fun, I guess.
Have a job for me? Any
Because
more projects?
I think with rules it takes quite a while.
That one's done. New construction? Sounds good. That one's made in the US of A.
Loaded with U.S. quality.
Wow.
Right on schedule.
Army's elite.
He made two. This guy's good.
I got the goods.
He's a
Keep it
CXN
safe.
player, but
Right on schedule.
as I say that, he...
That one's done. Let's build. I'll build anywhere. Always ready. Clocked in. Loud and clear.
Let's delay his war
Loud
factory.
and clear. Make my own road. Sounds good.
Unit
Have a job
lost.
for me?
Upgrade complete.
Come on in.
Let's get his call
Got my missile launcher right
Need a point, man.
of
Ready
what
for
he's
Army's
doing.
elite.
I feel like
Got
they're...
my missile launcher right here. Got my missile
Need a
launcher
point, man.
right
Army's
here.
elite.
Let's
His
pop some
oil capture will be late as well.
moving right here.
Humvee here. Come on in.
I'll fire at
Got
anything.
room for
That
five.
one's done.
Come on in. Oh, be
Can we
careful now.
drop him a V?
Humvee here. Come on in.
Got my missile launcher right here.
Building capture complete. What's the story? Laying the foundation.
How about a lift?
Got my missile launcher right here.
Come on in.
Yeah.
Always prepared.
Got my missile launcher right here.
Oh,
Beacon
Buck it
detected.
up. Humvee here. Come on in.
Got my
Rip
missile
it
launcher
up.
right here. Let me launch one.
fire
Got my
here.
missile launcher right here.
Break it loose.
oh, that's the tunnel.
You want some of this?
Got my missile launcher right here. Let's pop some tanks.
Got room for five. Let's go. How about a lift?
Ready for action.
Okay, let's save up for our SND.
Humvee here. How about a lift? Let's go for it. Got room for five. Oh, yeah. Come on in. Got room for five.
Let's make sure we
Looks
don't
like a
step
good
on the
run. Looks
mine.
like a good run.
Yeah, we can't allow that one.
Yeah. Looks like a good run. Let's go for it. Rip it up. Oh, be careful now. Come on in. Oh, yeah. Here. Let's go. Looks like a good run. Whoa. Humvee here. Let's go. How about a lift? Humvee here. Let's go. How about a lift? Oh, be careful.
Shit.
now. Come on in.
Unit
Point man.
lost.
Room for five. Let's go for it. Whoa. Two on me. Break it loose. Oh, be careful now. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You want some of this? Oh, be careful now. Rip it up. Looks like a good run. Come on. Let's go for
Want
it.
to make some improvements?
Come on in. Let's go for it.
Let's get in the
go.
base then.
Oh, yeah.
Don't think he got much money because
Let's go for it. Break it loose. Two on me. Let's go for it. Oh, be careful now. Oh, be careful now.
let's just play safe. Make this cancel.
Oh, yeah. Keep the chain. Oh, be careful now. For five. Ha, it should be fun. Oh, yeah. Come on in. Let's Go for it. Keep the tank. You want some of this?
GG.
Looks like a good run. Oh, be careful now.
You are victorious.
Oh. Alright, 1-0.
Do not hurt me.
I think his mistake was he played the...
I will obey. That building.
He didn't
cannot
build
fit
2
there.
barracks.
I will do not hurt me. There's not enough room for that building. I will work. I'm hungry. I am cannot live in peace. I'm hungry. I'm just a peasant. I do what I am told. Yes.
Upgrade complete.
I'm hungry. Yes. I'm just a peasant. I'm hungry. I do what I am told. Complete. Oh, okay. I will work.
Make the sacrifice. I am prepared.
Actually, let's...
I'll make the sacrifice.
I'm hungry.
This one is better.
They will fear us.
Building construction has been
Under
completed.
control.
Ready for war.
Building construction has been completed.
Our land
work
must
is
be
complete.
preserved.
Yes.
They will
Bolted
fear
down
us.
and ready.
Supreme
What do you want?
truth.
I sense danger may be near. What do you want? The tunnels will protect us. We have bolted down and ready.
Warrior has fallen.
Our work is complete. Do not hurt me.
Upgrade.
I'll make the sacrifice.
Our land.
Is there any rules about AOD?
I am prepared.
And wait. Let me see.
The higher order shall reign. No cost is too great.
I think he is...
I'm hungry.
Rules. Okay.
I do what I am told.
We have captured the building.
A
Building
warrior
belongs
has
to us
fallen.
now. Let's fight. Shh, I sense danger.
Oh, I was reading rules. Yeah.
I'm just a peasant. I'm hungry.
Land must be preserved. What we need.
I will obey.
Removing jelly, scraps, bracing. Okay, that's not bad. There is no rules about AOD.
Don't change your mind
Our
often.
clan is strong.
Cannot we
A
live in
warrior
peace?
has fallen.
Let's get in the fight. What? Hang on. Quick, ready yourself. Shh, I sense danger may be near. The tunnels will protect us. Shh, I sense danger may be near. Quick, ready yourself. The tunnels will protect us.
I'm hungry.
Quick,
Do
ready
not
yourself.
hurt me. I guess I should help out.
Our land must be preserved.
think he's gonna drop me.
Guarding the GLA underground. We will not be oppressed. We fear nothing. Yes, I know.
I will die for our cause. Yes. Can I have some shoes? What do you want with me? I will do the best I can.
Our land must be preserved.
Alright.
What? Float it! Hang on. We fear nothing. The higher order shall reign.
Do not hurt me.
Pretty sure he's gonna drop, but
That's
where?
what you
Fear
want.
us.
I need my Jarman. Jarman will be good always. But I think he has a drone.
No one escapes.
Our Jarman Kell has been seen by the enemy.
Yeah, expected.
Burying my
We
tools.
take what we need.
I hear you. Who's the target?
Our clan is strong. The tunnels will protect us.
No one escapes.
A warrior has fallen.
Yeah,
I hear you.
no need for that.
Our work is complete.
No one escapes.
I'm hungry. Building construction has been completed. It already
I'm
has
waiting.
repairs.
I hear you. New spotting position.
Our Jarman Kell has been seen by the enemy.
I am
A
waiting.
warrior has fallen.
No one escapes.
Prepare to fight.
I hear you.
We have more buggy ammo now.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I will die for our cause.
Alright. Let's
What
make
do you
sure.
Do not hurt me.
Let's fight. One path to freedom. Let's kick up some dirt.
Oh, we don't need for that one.
Let's kick up some dirt.
We have this. Let's take advantage of our money.
Come on in. I ride alone. Humvee here. Let's go for it.
Yeah.
Looks like a good run. Roads? How boring. What is it? Rocket barrage
waiting.
ready. How about a lift? Oh yeah. Let's go. Got room for 5. Break it loose. Let's kick up some dirt. I am going. Come on in. I ride alone. Leave them in the dust. I am going. Step on the gas. Yes. Leave them in the dust. Step on the gas. Aye. I am going.
Hey, that's not allowed.
Has fallen.
Step on the gas. They will
Oh
be
my God.
humiliated. Leave them in the dust.
Upgrade complete.
Humvee here. How about a lift? Let's kick up some dirt. Got room for 5.
I
A
hear
warrior
you.
has fallen.
Indeed. Who's the target? Off. Anything else? I move in the shadows. I move in the shadows. Who's the target? New spotting position.
Let's kick up some dirt.
they won't notice.
Roads? How boring. I ride alone. Of course. Step on the gas. Dirt. What is it? Leave them in the dust. Yes. All right, let's go. I am going. All right, let's go.
Bombardment.
Leave them in the dust.
I am waiting.
Humvee here. I will make
What
my
happened
own
to that
path.
one?
I wait for
Took
you.
damage.
It is my duty. How about a lift? Oh yeah.
A warrior has
Holy
fallen.
shit.
All right, let's go. Leave them in the dust.
I'm just a peasant. This is hard.
What is it?
work.
Humvee here. I ride alone. Attacking. Come on in. How about a lift? Come on in. Let's go. Roads? How boring. Aye. Leave them in the dust. They will be humiliated.
A warrior has fallen.
Humvee here.
I should see
It is my duty.
the map.
Yes. Come on in.
Holy shit.
I ride alone. Humvee here. That's it. Joyride's over.
Preparing my
I will make my
tools.
own path. Attacking. We have 80 rockets. What is it?
No one escapes.
Roads? How boring.
I am waiting.
What is it? Kick up some dirt. Is my duty. They will be humiliated. I wait for you. Dive.
Building construction has been completed.
Rocket barrage ready. Step on the gas.
A warrior has
Who's the
fallen.
target?
Yes. Rocket barrage ready.
No one escapes. Anything else?
Let's kick up some dirt. Roads? How boring.
I am waiting.
I ride alone.
Preparing my tools.
Yes. Step on the gas. Attacking.
No one escapes.
I
A
ride
warrior
alone.
has
Oh my god.
I'm hungry. Are there not better tools?
upgrade complete. Our Jarman Kell has
hear
been
you.
seen by the enemy.
I will slip in.
Oh, this one stays there.
I am waiting.
How about a lift?
No one escapes. Who's the target? Indeed.
Humvee here. Breaking loose.
A warrior has fallen.
I
Let's
am
kick up some
finished
dirt.
with the building.
Rocket barrage ready.
I mean, I think the more it goes, we will be
Yes,
more stronger
of course.
than him.
How about a lift? I ride alone.
Because that GLA late one is better.
Whoa!
Just got to stabilize
How
a
about
bit.
lift? Got room for 5. Oh, be careful now. What is it?
A warrior has fallen.
Humvee here.
Upgrade complete.
How about a lift? Let's go for it. Got room for
I'm
5.
hungry.
Upgrade
Does it
complete.
have to be
Humvee
so
here.
far?
Rocket
What do
barrage
you want
ready.
with me?
I wait for you. Yes. All right. Let's go. Come on in. Rocket barrage
Humvee here.
ready.
Holy
Roads?
shit.
How boring. Step on the gas. Let's kick up some dirt. Let's go. I am going. Leave them in the dust. I wait for you.
A warrior has
Oh
fallen.
my
I am
god.
going. They will be humiliated. I will make my own path. Come on in. Oh, be careful now. Got room for 5. Break it loose. How Let's kick up some dirt.
Me who you want?
Roads? How boring.
Why did he do that?
Got room for 5.
I'm just a peasant.
Come on in. Later, sir.
Who's the target?
How about a lift?
I will make my own path. I wait for you.
A warrior has fallen.
Who's next?
What is it? Kick up some dirt. Step on the
Preparing
gas.
my tools.
Roads? How boring.
Do not hurt me. I will try to hurry.
Our Jarman Kell has been seen by the enemy.
Preparing my tools.
Holy shit, that was close.
Each point.
Yes, yes.
The tunnels will protect us. I will make my own path.
Lurking eyes at your disposal. Let us tune in.
4 on the floor. Yes, yes.
What do you want with me? You change your mind
Quad cannon.
often. Cannot we live in peace? I will do the
4 on
best
the
I
floor.
can.
Let's kick up some dirt. Roads? How boring.
Quad cannon.
No one escapes. I move in the shadows.
Our Jarman Kell has been seen by the
GLA
enemy.
radar services. Keep me out of sight.
Someone injured?
Let us
Our
tune
work
in.
is complete. Yes.
Let's kick up some
If
dirt.
that is
What is
you
it?
want.
I hear you. What station you need, General?
The battlefield is a messy place.
I ride alone.
I mean,
Let us tune in.
Yes.
Finished with the building.
I will make my own path.
Who needs help?
Roads? How boring. Yes. I wait for you. I will make my own
A
path.
warrior has
It is
fallen.
my duty.
Our work is complete.
Dive.
Our
What do you
Jarman
want with me?
Kell has
I
been
ride
seen by
alone.
the enemy. Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
Rocket barrage ready. Leave them in the dust. Of course.
Truck ready for dispatch.
Oh, okay. I will
How
work.
boring. Get off my trail.
Loaded
Upgrade
and arrayed.
complete.
Explosive bomb.
What is it? Step on the gas.
I am waiting. Target.
Roads?
Hey,
How
explosive
boring.
bomb loaded.
Dive. Rocket barrage
What?
ready. Roads? How boring.
Preparing my tools.
A
Rocket
warrior
barrage
has fallen.
ready.
Not responsible for damaged goods. Right on schedule.
Yes.
Do not hurt
I
me.
am waiting. Target.
4 on the floor. Yes, yes.
Send a clear message.
Our Jarman Kell has been seen by the enemy. A warrior
I am
has
waiting.
fallen.
Medic here. Medic here.
GLA radar services.
I'm hungry.
I am prepared.
Someone injured? Medical supplies on hand.
I hear you. Indeed.
What station you need, General?
I hear you. Who's the target? I move in the shadows.
Let's kick up some dirt. I ride alone.
I am waiting. Who's the target? Anything else?
Our Jarman Kell
Someone
has been
injured?
seen by the enemy.
I will work.
Right on. Suited up for
Preparing
biohazard.
my tools.
We can take care of it.
A warrior has fallen.
Cannot we live in peace?
Let's kick up some dirt.
This is hard work.
Yes.
No one escapes. I move in the shadows.
Who needs help?
I hear you.
I will work.
Upgrade
I will
complete.
slip in.
Someone injured?
I am waiting. Who's the target?
I will make my own path.
I hear you. Anything else?
Our Jarman Kell has been seen by the enemy.
Indeed.
A warrior
Who
has
needs
fallen.
help?
I am waiting. Who's next?
I'm just a peasant. If that is what you want.
They will fear us.
Can't I TT that shit?
I will die for our
Let's
cause.
kick up some dirt. Roads? How boring.
Preparing my Who's the target? Indeed. I will wait
We
there.
can take care of you.
Indeed.
Yes, it is my duty.
Battlefield is a messy place.
That's his first drop zone. He's been making money. But,
Medic here.
I am waiting. Let us tune in.
GLA Postal Service.
Arming
Let's
high
kick up some
explosive
dirt.
bomb. GLA radar.
Building construction has been completed.
High
Yes.
explosive bomb loaded. I will send a clear message.
Oh,
I must position myself
We
well.
take what we need.
Our Jarman
No
Kell
one
has been seen
escapes.
by the enemy.
I have a delivery. Sorry, no tracking numbers.
my tools.
Medic here.
I will send a clear message. I'll disguise myself as a
I
delivery.
am waiting.
The battlefield is a messy place.
Yes.
Loaded and ready. Shipment on the way.
I ride alone. Step on the gas. Let's kick up some dirt. Roads of course. Boring. Of course. I am going. Yes, all right, let's go. Step on the gas. They will be humiliated. I wait for you. I wait for you. Make my own.
A warrior has fallen.
All right, let's go.
Upgrade
Let's
complete.
kick up some dirt. I am going. I am going.
Preparing my tools.
Yes. I wait for you. Leave them in the dust. Leave them in the dust. I will make my own path. All right, let's go. All
A
right,
warrior
let's
has
go.
fallen.
Let's kick up some dirt. Yes. I am going.
ah,
I hear you. Who's the target? Crosshairs.
Rocket barrage ready. All right, let's go. Attack him.
Our Jarman Kell has been seen by the enemy.
Our clan is strong.
Preparing my tools.
We take what we need. Yes, I know.
No one escapes. Who's the target?
What do you want?
Let's kick up some
Still
dirt.
run. We fear
Let's kick up
nothing.
some dirt.
A warrior has fallen.
You spotted
All right.
position. I have a delivery. Preparing my tools. Indeed.
I ride alone. Get off my
No one
trail.
escapes. Let us tune in. I hear Sorry, no tracking numbers. What vehicle should we disguise?
I will make my own path.
Loaded and ready.
Let's kick up some dirt.
Shipment on the way.
GG.
GLA
We are
Postal Service.
victorious.
I think he played too slow. You can't give time to GLA that much. Okay. Oh, China beat.
Building the Chinese Empire. Let's build a
Hmm.
yes. We have big plans. We will live in prosperity. Generous.
Come on. That's slow. Okay, let's
Building is complete. We have big plans. We will live in prosperity.
Very economical.
Through their armor. China has been generous. I like the big targets.
We are pretty busy here.
We stand
We will
construction
move the is complete.
Tank under here. Ready for orders.
This is tight schedule.
Construction is complete. We will live in prosperity.
hmm.
I build for China. China will grow larger.
There is much money to be made.
Defenders of peace.
We have big plans.
I have many gun barrels spinning.
Upgrade complete.
Ready for action. Need a bullet barrage?
Let him build, so
I build for China.
Gun barrel spinning. Ah, yes. The People's Army.
Building is complete.
Gatling tank, ready for action.
We are the Red Guard.
We will live in
I
prosperity.
have many bullets to spare. Gun barrel spinning. Need a bullet barrage. Gatling need a bullet barrage.
That won't do anything. He's just wasting his money, I think.
The building is ours now. We are the Red Guard.
Where do you want these?
Enemy tanks out there?
The People's Army. Defenders of peace.
Keep the cylinders oiled.
Let's get these men.
Yes,
they can't hide from me.
Gun barrel spinning. Need a bullet barrage.
Next up, the front
Keep
line.
the cylinders oiled.
Fasten your seat.
Gatling tank, ready for action.
Can't hide
Unit
from the
lost.
People's Army. Right away.
Bullet barrage.
Pending
Keep
attention.
the cylinders
We are
oiled.
the Red Guard. Ready for orders. Right away.
China's rocket
Gatling
soldier.
tank, ready for action. Of course.
Okay, here we go. Pending attention. Defenders of peace.
Spin them up.
They cannot destroy China.
Unit lost.
I have many bullets.
We are the Red Guard.
Gun barrel spinning. Gatling tank, ready for action. Take it into high gear. Need a bullet barrage. Ah, gun barrel spinning. Keep the cylinders oiled. Barrage. Keep the cylinders oiled.
I like the big targets.
Gatling tank, ready for action.
Unit
Gun
lost.
barrel spinning. Push them through.
Let's build. Nice location.
Oh my god.
China's rocket soldier.
I have many bullet barrage.
Our base is being attacked.
China has been
Keep the
generous.
cylinders oiled. Okay, here we go. Of course. Rapid fire. Let's get out there. Don't stop till it's over. Gatling tank, ready for action.
Construction is complete.
Gun barrel spinning. Rapid fire. Need a bullet barrage. Gun barrel spinning. Okay, here we go.
Alright, he lost the
We are
doors, huh?
pretty busy here.
Gatling tank, ready for action. Keep the cylinders oiled.
Where do you want these? Very economical.
Need a bullet barrage. Gatling tank, ready for action. Let's get out there. Gun barrel spinning.
Upgrade is complete.
Keep the cylinders oiled.
Reporting. Aircraft standing by.
Unit lost.
Gatling tank, ready
We
for action.
have big plans. We will live in prosperity. Could use a little
Gun
touch-up.
barrel spinning. Need a bullet barrage.
Come on, I need something to get up.
Gatling tank, ready for action.
I think he remade that Chinook. He's playing too aggressive.
Make in flight. Reporting. Aircraft standing by. Altering course. China's Air Force. MiG in flight.
Let me get start.
Aircraft standing by.
Yeah,
Altering course.
he's
MiG in flight. Copy that. Altering course. Strapped in and ready. Tactical fighter report. Aircraft standing by. China's Air Force. Gun barrel spinning. We defend China's airspace. Need a bullet barrage? Strapped in and ready. Keep the cylinders oiled. Aircraft standing by.
I think that's his last dozer, but if I draw...
China's Air Force. Tactical fighter setting new course. Heading confirmed. Aircraft standing by. MiG in flight. Setting new course.
Yeah, that's his last dozer.
Setting new course.
Okay.
Unit lost.
We have big plans.
China is under attack!
We will live in prosperity.
Strapped in and ready.
We have big plans.
China's Air Force.
Unit
We
lost.
defend China's airspace. Aircraft standing by. Reporting. China's Air Force. Tracking target. Enemy underground.
Unit
misclick.
We defend China's airspace. Initiating air patrol. MiG in flight.
China has been generous. Let's take a look.
Strapped in and ready. Tactical fighter report. We defend China's airspace. Aircraft standing by.
I'm pretty sure he's hunted.
We defend China's airspace. Altering course. Setting new course.
But I'm gonna be really careful of what
China's Air Force. China's Air Force standing by.
what I'm doing here, because if I click with my mix,
MiG in flight.
then he will drop me.
Aircraft standing by.
Yeah.
MiG in flight. Ready for action. Yes. Strapped in and ready. Setting new course. Armor upgrade.
Unit lost.
The People's Army. I like the MiG in
Don't.
flight. China's Air Force.
Tune into the enemy.
China's rocket soldier.
Strapped in and ready.
We'll get the location. Adjusting frequency.
Dead in their tracks.
Moving rocket launcher. Attention.
Unit
Gun barrel
lost.
spinning.
We'll get the location.
China's Air Force.
ready.
Tune into the enemy.
Keep the cylinders oil.
Adjusting frequency.
Jets out there.
Aircraft standing by. MiG in route.
Cylinders oil. Push them through.
Aircraft standing by. China's Air Force. We defend China's airspace.
I have many bullets ready for action. Of course. Push them through. Keep the bullets flowing. Don't stop till it's over.
China's Air Force.
Congratulations,
Keep the
General.
cylinders
You have
oiled.
been promoted.
MiG in flight. Strapped in and ready. Gun barrel spinning. Aircraft standing by. MiG in flight. Setting new course. We defend China's airspace. Heading confirmed. We will defend this airspace.
Gatling tank ready for action. Ah, yes.
MiG in flight. Aircraft standing by.
Gun barrel spinning.
We defend China's airspace. And ready.
We will live in prosperity. Looks promising.
We defend China's airspace.
Keep the cylinders oiled. Ah, yes. Keep the bullets flowing. Okay, here we
Strapped
go.
in and ready. Heading confirmed. MiG en route.
Gatling tank,
Aircraft
ready for
standing
action.
by. We defend China's airspace.
Gun barrel spinning. Okay,
Strapped
here
in
we
and
go.
ready. Heading confirmed. Target location confirmed.
Gatling tank, ready for action. Gun barrel spinning. Keep the cylinders oiled.
Let's build. Of course.
Gatling tank, ready for action. Of course.
I build
Keep
for
the
China.
cylinders oiled. Gatling tank, ready for action. Gun barrel spinning.
Aircraft standing by.
Unit lost.
Gatling tank,
MiG
ready
in
for
flight.
action. Gun barrel spinning. Need a bullet barrage. Gun barrel spinning. Let's get out there.
China's Air Force.
Keep the cylinders oiled.
Aircraft standing by. China's Air Force. We defend China's airspace.
They're attacking our
Gun
base!
barrel spinning. I have
Aircraft
finished.
standing by.
Gatling tank, ready for action. Need a bullet
Spin them
barrage.
up. We defend China's airspace.
Let's get out there.
Unit lost.
Here we go. Need a bullet barrage. Keep the cylinders oiled, of course. Need a bullet barrage.
We will live in
I'm
prosperity.
close to
That's a
Kurdistan.
good start.
We defend China's airspace. Tactical fighter setting new course. Strapped in and ready.
Let's build.
MiG in flight. We defend China's airspace.
China has reached
China's
yours.
Air Force.
Gun barrel spinning.
We will live in prosperity.
We defend China's airspace. Combat air
I
patrol
build
on
for
station.
China. China will grow larger.
Strapped in and ready. MiG en route. Setting new course.
Keep the cylinders oiled. Let's get out there. Spin them
We
up.
have big
China's
plans.
Air Force.
Build for
Yeah.
China.
In flight. Setting new course. MiG en route. Objective sighted.
Congratulations, General. You have been promoted.
Gatling tank, ready for action.
You
GG.
are victorious.
Holy shit, I didn't know CXN would take this much. Be right back. Okay. We are gonna be laser now. I mean, China don't have much options. At the start of the game.
Let's build.
But yeah, in a mid-late game, I would say, when he gets the MiGs on this map, will be dangerous, China.
Let's get to work. Have a job for me? On the job. Yeah. That one's good area. All finished. New construction. That always ready.
What's the
Want to
mission,
make
sir?
some improvements?
Ready for action.
Let's
What's the mission,
build.
sir?
Going up.
Army's elite. Something for everyone. Who's signing for this?
That one's done. New construction.
That's a free XP for me.
Buckle up. Got room for 5. Special forces here. Humvee here. Need a point, man?
Upgrade
How about a lift?
complete.
Got room for 5.
All finished.
I got the goods.
Got my missile launcher
Yeah,
right here.
laser guidance ready on him.
Got my
Humvee
missile
here.
launcher right here.
Looks like a good run. Oh, yeah.
Got my missile launcher
Okay, everybody
right here.
out. Army's elite. Need a point, man?
I'll fire at anything.
How about a lift? Who's signing for this? Humvee here.
Have a job for me.
Got my missile launcher right here. Got my missile launcher right here.
How about a lift? Whoa!
Oh, that's
I got the goods.
Laying the foundation. Clocked in. Keep 'em busy.
that's a
building's
Lix.
We have their bill. Got room for 5. Special forces here. Always prepared. Search and destroy.
Got my missile launcher
How about
right
a
here.
lift?
Yeah.
Good thing is we took our oils earlier.
Got my missile launcher right here. Got my missile launcher right
Let's
here.
pop some tanks.
And he's
Keep
coming
it safe.
Got my
Laying
missile
the
launcher right
foundation.
Humvee
here.
here.
I want to blow something up.
Have a job for me.
Loaded with U.S. quality.
Got my missile launcher right
Right
here.
on schedule.
And I think he thinks that's a full one.
How about a lift? Hey, let's
Check
go
out
for
our
it. Whoa! Breaking loose. Looks like a good run. Looks like a good run. Let's go. Breaking loose.
Let's pop
Laser
some
guidance
tanks.
ready. Yeah. Laser
Precise.
guidance ready.
Got room for 5.
Let me launch one.
Unit
I'll
lost.
fire at anything.
Come on in.
Yeah.
How about a lift?
Let me launch one. Heading over.
Come on in.
I'll fire at anything.
I got the goods. How about a lift? Whoa! Let's go. Keep it safe. Keep the supplies rolling. Need a point, man?
Unit lost.
Oh,
Who's signing for this? Provisions en route. I'll get it there.
Got my missile launcher right here.
Provisions en route. I'll get it there. Blades in motion. Blades in
Got
motion.
my missile launcher right here.
Blades in motion.
come on.
Got my missile launcher right here.
Loaded with U.S. quality. Here. Got room for 5. Let's go. Come on in. Humvee here.
Let me launch one.
Come on in.
Missile launcher right here.
Humvee here. Got room for 5. Come on in. How about a lift?
I want to blow something up.
Got room for 5.
GG.
You are victorious.
Need one more win.
I build for China.
Oh, inf talks. I don't think I can win with the
We have big
outposts. All I got is licks.
China orders complete, sir. China has been generous. My instructions complete, sir. Our supplies over there. China has been generous.
We are pretty busy here.
Mini gunner reporting for
We
duty.
will move the goods. Is this a shortcut? We will move the goods.
Construction
Our supplies
built to
over there.
spec.
This is tight schedule. We will move the goods.
Mini gunner reporting for duty.
We'll tear through their armor. Let's build.
We are pretty busy here. Is this a shortcut?
Don't think that's gonna
Where is the nearest depot?
help him much.
We will move the goods. There is much money to be made. This is tight schedule.
tear through their
Our
armor.
supplies over there.
Ah, don't
Our
move.
supplies over there. Very economical.
We'll tear
Is
through
this
their
a
armor.
shortcut? We are pretty busy here. Very economical. There is much money to be made.
Upgrade complete.
Is this a shortcut?
Mini
We
gunner
will move the
reporting for
goods.
duty.
Where is the nearest
Installs
depot?
the
Very
bunker.
economical.
Something
Unit
down
lost.
there.
Miniguns will destroy the enemy.
Under here. I like the Phoenix on the sea.
I think he dies now.
You have a target for me.
Paying attention. Yes.
Helix on the scene. Take it over there for now. Take it over there for now. Let's hold these guns. Who are they? Let's hold these guns. You have a target for me. Take it over there for now. Like a ton of wings.
Yep.
Let's hold these guns.
GG's, well played. He played good.
You have a target.
Yeah.
We are victorious.
Alright, guys. What is our Excel doing here? Turing, let's see. 33 TF. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed it. CXN overall is good format, but it's I think for fun. But other than that, it's also has some special, let's say, play style. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and see you next rounds. I hope let's see how far I can go on this tournament. Thanks for our dear opponent, and thanks for the Sahel for the hosting it. GG's, well played, and see you next time. Bye bye.